Hello everyone. I hope all are you fine. We are learning about Google Slides and in this video we are going to learn how to start this Google slide presentation. It means that how to create a Google slide presentation. What is the starting, which is background layout and theme. So in this video we are going to learn about background layouts and theme, and in our previous video we learned how to sign in into our Google Slides account. So if you haven't watched that video, just go and watch it. So now, as you can see, I have started my Google Slides page here. Now what I want to do, I want to create a Google slide. Okay, but first of the thing, I need to decide on which topic I want to create a Google slide. So if you have selected your topic, then as per your topic you have to select layout and background. So first let's go at layout. What is this layout? So as you can see here over this ruler scale, there are four options: background, layout and theme and transition. So we will learn transition at the end, but let's go at the layout first. So when I clicked on this layout option, as you can see, we have so many options. This one is already selected, where it shows the bigger box and then small box for subtitle. So if you are creating something, project or report on something which has a title and subtitle, then go for this layout. But if you just want to give title, then this one is for you. Again, if you want just uh, main points, or if you are now, if you are in you have started creating your slides, but now you want that there should be columns in your next slides, so here is this option. Click to add title. Here you can just add title and write different text in these both boxes. Okay, then if you don't want this one, then again, as we learnt in Google Docs, here we have two options: redo and undo. So this, when I click on this arrow, it goes to my previous changes, and if I click on this redo arrow, then it goes to my next changes I made. Okay, then here are again some layouts. Title only layout, if you want to give just title, then one column text. This one is useful for if you want to add some picture over here, then add title and then write about it, then this is awesome for you. And so many options: section, title and description. This one, here you can add title, subtitle, and in here you can add description. If you want to write something like in the cover of novels, you can see uh, after title and name of writer, there are some text are written. So for that purpose, this layout is awesome. And then again, for big number, and if you don't want anything in your page, you want to customize your page, then here is a blank. So we are just starting our document. So let's assume I just want a title, so I'm clicking this one. Okay, section header, click to add title. Now if let's suppose I'm creating my document on India. Okay, so my project is India, whatever it is, let's India. So I'm going to select this one. Again, as we learnt in Google Docs, here are also some similar options, like as you can see, bold option to make your word bold. Then you can increase size, font size from this option. This text, font size text, you can give underline to it. You can change the color of your letter, right? Whatever you want. If you want to give it highlight, then you can go on to this pencil, and here you can see it is highlighted. And if you don't want all this, then again we have our option undo and redo. Now in this box, if you want to add color, okay, Here is a fill color option. When you click on this, you get so many color palette, and here is also gradients also, simple light gradient. So let's take this green one, and you can see here everything behind this India is in green color. Now I want this India in blue color, so again this one, and that's it. That's how you can fill color with this option. Then here is a border color. As you can see, here are border. So if you want to give some border color, different color, then you can definitely select. See here, let's make this after beside this border color option, you can see border weight. So let's increase first the border weight, and now you can see that my border color is in orange color. So this is how you can change. Okay, so these blocks completely helps you to customize your this block or box, we can say. If you want to give dotted lines, then see your boundary is in dotted line. Okay, and again if you want to change the font style, here is your font style option. Just click on it and select whatever shape you want. Now as we are learning about starting off this Google slide, first we learned about layout and we have selected our layout. Now I want to give it some background. It's looking very blank, so we can go on this background option. Here we have two options. Okay, first thing is you can select your background color. Let's we are writing about India. Green is done, orange is done. Then which color? White which is already there, I don't want it. Let's see any other color which can suit this thing. Okay, so and I am clicking on done. So as you can see in the background, the color is completely changed. Now in this background you want some images, then here you can get that option. You just need to click on this choose image option, and here it gives you option to upload image. Camera means you can click your image from your camera, web camera. Then by URL means if you have any URL means this link, this type of link, then you can paste here and that image will come from your photos, from your Google Drive. And if you don't have all these options, then just go on Google image search. On Google image search, let's type India and let's see what options we can get for our background image. So as you can see here, we have so many options. We can use our Tiranga, we can use our Indian map, and anything. Here are so many images for India. So I love this one. Here is the map and our Tiranga also. So just click on that image, and here at the bottom you can see insert option. Just click on the insert option and done. And now as you can see, the whole background became Tiranga. I know it's not looking good, so we can make it like this. We can adjust this according to our will. Okay, and again if you don't want your India at the bottom, you can shift it over here. So that's how we can insert background images. And if you want to reset it, then again I have clicked on that background option, and when I click on this reset, you can see in that background that my Tiranga is gone. So yeah, that's how you can create your perfect background for your slide. Okay, so let's select this one, insert. If you want to fill page color, you can select that one also. Let's put it white for now. So either you can select color, either. So in this background option, either you can select color or either image. Okay, so that's how we can select our background. Let's select a color and apply it. Done. Okay, now we have learned about background and how to use layout. Now there is a third thing which is most super important thing to make your document, your presentation effective, attractive, and we can say meaningful, which is a theme. So what is a theme? So as you, if you see any book or any cartoon or any movies, they follow a proper color theme, right? From starting to end there is a same color, same color variation. So this thing we call a theme. And here in this theme section you get so many themes option for your presentation. So here when I clicked on the theme, you can see so many themes are appeared, and here is also one color palette. So you can also select the theme according to your presentation. Now how to select theme according to your presentation is another question. So if you are doing something for time pass and passing your time and it is not much that important, then you can use this black one. Or if you want to customize your whole presentation by yourself, then this one is for you. But you don't have so much time and you want to create your presentation fast but attractive, then here are so many themes option. As you can see here, let's select what will be good for our topic. Not this one. I think this one is nice. Is there anything? No. So let's see, this one I liked. Okay, and if I clicked on that theme, you can see my background color appeared with this theme. But now let's assume I don't have any background color, it's completely white. Now how this theme will look? So you can see completely blue, and that mark which was here, it was appearing here. Okay, so that's how you can select your theme. Now let's backspace this whole box and then again click on theme. Yeah, this is your theme. Now if you want to change this background's color, you can change it by going in the background option and by selecting a proper color whatever you want. So I have selected yellow one, so it came with the yellow theme. Okay, so that's how you can change the themes also. But I don't like this theme much more, so let's see, is there any other theme? Let's click on that theme, and yeah, here is that theme. Now as you know, whenever we create presentation there will be a more than one page. So if we add pages, so how we are going to add pages? Here is this plus option. Okay, new slide option, you just need to click on it. And if you want to create your slide option with already selected layout, then with beside this plus option you can see an triangle, right? Downside triangle, here you get so many options as we have in this layout option, and you can select that one. So let's assume I'm selecting this one. So this was my theme. As you can see, here was already orange color, right? In the next menu there is also orange color title. So if I don't use this one and now I add layout here, my layout will be in this way, like this. So yeah, that's how you can create your perfect presentation by using proper background, proper layout, and perfect theme. These are the basic important things to understand before creating any presentation, because these three things make your document either a superhero or either a dumbest thing. So select your background layout and themes properly. I hope I helped you with this video. So thank you for watching this video, and in our next video we are going to learn something again new and exciting about Google Slide. So stay tuned. Bye bye.